Hey, it's Raymond here at the UMI Performance Race Shop to introduce the part number 6415 Frame Notch Kit for 1973 to 1987 square body GM C10. So 3/16 thick steel laser cut, CNC bent, nice gloss black powder coat finish, and it also has a spot for poly bump stop, make that ride really nice. The cool part about this piece is our notch here makes it so you don't have to cut the bed rail. So you have a nice Texas bed, a nice high quality bed, no rust. You don't want to be messing with it. So if you have this notch in here, that prevents you from having to cut that. Now you do have to cut the main part of the frame because that's how the frame notch goes in. Another cool thing about that, the inner support plate, another UMI exclusive, doubles as the template. So you put this on the inner part of the frame, trace around it, set your holes, and then when you cut, the outer part fits in there nicely. So UMI's 4.5/6 lowering kit actually does not require the frame notch. We do have a full line of lowering products as well as A-arms and sway bars for the square bodied GM truck. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.